Lakas eh.
Pwede sa ang ganun malakas yung flash mo. Abot ang gamit.
Tingin ng lalaga lahat.
Bagay maaga pa. Good morning tayo. Alright. Alam nyo, the last time I was here, I came with my sons, Paolo and Gabriel. Wala si Paolo na yun. Saka si Gabriel nasa States. So, and I only have 2 sons, you know, and a daughter. But I thought that tonight would not be complete if I didn't come out here with something than just myself. So, iniisip ko, teka muna, kahapon lang namin pinagdesisyonan na baka pwede silang sumali. So, kinausap ko yung management ng One Direction, andun sila sa likod. Galing! Maniwala naman kayo. Hindi, I'm just having fun with you guys. You guys want some more, huh? Parang nakikita kayo mga ibang nakaupo. Kailan ba siya magalaw? Medyo kanina pa ako, medyo na dito eh. Lalo-lalo na yung mga, yung mga may mga cellphone. Pansinin nyo yung mga may cellphone, yung may ilaw. Kasi mamaya, ingat lang po kayo, baka pag uwi ninyo, lobat na kayo. Alright? So you ready for this one? This will be my way of saying thank you to all of you. And please, next year, if you have something like this again, malamang may mga bago din lalabas sa kampo namin, I would love to be back here with you again. Okay, lastly, binanggit ko kanina, mid-20s to mid-40s or mid-20s to early 40s. Can I know how honest you really are? Can I see those who are mid-20s who are here? Ang honest na. Ang galing. How about, that's mid-20s to early 30s, okay? How about mid-30s to late 30s? Wow. How about late 30s to early 40s? Wow, I like that. Unashamed talagang to show I'm mid-40s. Well, binanggit ko na sa inyo how old I am. What I want to do right now is I want to fuse things together. I want to use an old school song with new school sound. That's why I asked it. Kasi baka mamaya hindi bagay. Mga iba sa inyo dito baka hanggang Katy Perry na lang, tapos wala na. Hanggang ano na lang, Taylor Swift na lang, tapos wala na. But we're here now. And AIM Global is in the Philippines, so let me give you something that's homegrown. Something that's super OPM, but let me see if you remember this. Because I've never done this for you guys, but I want to do this right now. And I don't want to do this alone. Because right now, I want to call up my friends who agreed to be a part of this. Kahapon lang. Give it up for The Maneuver! The maneuvers! Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless you and thank you.
Thank you, Mr.